Hey peeps, in this video we'll be making a laser cut stacked wood tree. We want our tree to be green, so we'll spray paint the wood that we'll cut our pieces from. In order to create our structure's design, we'll use LightBurn.
Right here, we're just trying to get the general shape of our tree. We know that we want our tree to be about 8.5 inches tall, so we'll adjust how long each piece is based off of this height. We know the thickness of our material is 0.185, so in order to get 8.5 inches, we're going to have 46 different layers. Now that we have the measurements of our longest layer and our smallest layer, we can do some quick math to determine the length of each layer of this design. We did mess up this formula the first time. So now that we have built out all of our layers, you can see that's going to be the total height. We're going to get our equation updated here. 6.31 is the distance of our longest layer and 0.7957 is the distance of our smallest layer. So when I subtract that, I end up with 5.5143, which is the total difference between the top and bottom layer. And then I just take that value and divide it by 45 for my 45 different values that I need. And that will give us the distance, which is 0.123, that I need to subtract from each layer in order to get that nice Christmas tree triangle.
Since we want all of our pieces to come together on a wooden dowel, we're going to cut a circle in the middle of each piece. wood has a defect, so some of our pieces may not have been cut all the way through. Because of this, we may have to use an X-Acto knife to get all of the pieces out. In order to cover the exposed dowel, we'll cut more stars from thin wood that can be glued to the stars we already have cut out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Craftmas episodes to come.